Hello students, last class we start the introduction part of the new chapter congruence of triangles. In that we learned the meaning of congruence, congruence of plane figures and conditions or criteria of congruent triangles. With that information, today we start the exercise 7.1. Copy down the answers in the textbook itself. Complete the following statements. Two line segments are congruent if dash. They have same length. Answer for first one. Right? If two line segments are congruent means they should have same measure. Second one, among the congruent angles, one has a measure of 70 degree. The measure of other angle is dash. How much? 70 degree. Because they are congruent angles. The measure should be same, equal. Therefore, one angle is 70 degree means other one also 70 degree. When we write angle A equal to angle B, we actually mean, here they are given angle A equal to angle B. According to this lesson, how we write? Yes, angle A is congruent to angle B. This is our answer. Don't write this one. Write this answer. Angle A congruent to angle B. Yeah, very simple, no? First question. Copy down this answer. Question 2. Give Question 2. Give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. No, shaving blades. Should write shaving blades of the same brand. Second one, biscuits of the same packets. Okay, we can write many example, A4 sheets, pages in the same textbook, etc. Okay, let's copy down. Question 2 example. Question 3. If triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED, under the correspondence, ABC correspond to FED. If they write, for example, angle A like this, it is correspond to angle B. Angle A correspond to angle B. Write all the corresponding congruent parts of the triangles. Okay, they are given here name of the triangle. From the name itself we can write the corresponding parts. First I will write the corresponding sides. From the name itself we can write. Okay, here they are given name of the triangles. First two vertex are AB, because names always we have to use two letters. Right, the two letters of the triangle ABC is AB. Here the first two letters FE, that is vertex. Okay, yeah, so AB equal to FE. Got it? Next, BC equal to ED. That is here what the symbol, how to read this? Correspond to. Okay. Next, AC. Got it? AC correspond to FD. We have finished three sides. Next, angles. We'll use single letter. First vertex is A. Here first vertex F. So, angle A correspond to angle F. Angle B correspond to angle E, because it is second vertex. Right. Next, angle C equal to angle third vertex. So, this way we have to write the corresponding parts of triangles without figure. Got it? Yes, copy down. In the same way, you try. Question 4 is homework. Write the correspond part. They are given one triangle parts. You should write it correspond part of other triangle. Got it? Do. This is homework. Without drawing figure, using the name of the triangles, you can write. Okay? Yes. Yeah, we have completed exercise 1 of this chapter. Exercise 7.2, you can write answer in the textbook itself. First 3 questions you can write answer in the textbook itself. No need of copying to the classwork. Exercise 7.2, which congruence criterion do you use in the following? How many criterion we learned? Yesterday we learned, no? How many we learned? 4, right? Yes, yes, yes. SAS, ASA, RHS. What is the full form meaning? Side, side, side. 3 elements. Right here. Second one SAS, side, angle, side. Third one, angle, side, angle. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse, side. Okay. No need of proving all the 6 elements are equal. Only these 3 elements, any 3 elements of one triangle is equal to the same 3 elements of other triangle, proves that equal means they are congruent triangles. Got it? Yes. Now here we are, no need of proving. They are only given they are congruent triangles. Just we should find which criterion we have to use. That's all. Okay. Yeah. First set of triangles ABC and triangle DEF. Okay. What are the conditions are given? First given are sides or angles. You should identify. Right. AC equal to DF. What they are? Angles or sides? Yeah, good. They are sides because 2 letters, 2 vertex names. Okay. AC and DF. Sorry, AC equal to DF. AB equal to DE. BC equal to EF. So, which criteria? Name the criteria. Yes, all are sides. All the 3 elements are sides. Therefore, it is SSS criterion. Good. Next, question 2. Yeah, look at the triangles. What are the name of the triangle is PQRXYZ, right? Given parts, that is given elements are ZX equal to RP, side. One side, that is first side of 2 triangles. Next, RQ is equal to ZY. RQ is first triangle side, ZY is second triangle side. Next, third element, what they are given? Angle. Angle PRQ equal to angle XZY. XZY. So they are given 2 sides and 1 angle. So it is SAS criterion. Good. Okay. Yes. Next, third one. Given angle MLN equal to angle FGH. MLN angle FGH. These two are equal. One angle. Next one also angle. Angle NML. Angle GFH. Okay. 2 angles are given. And it is what? Side. ML. This is the side. ML equal to FG. Got it? So, in this part of questions, they are given 2 angles and 1 side. So, which criterion it is? Yes, good. ASA criterion. We'll see. Last figure. Given triangles are right triangles, right? See, ABE is one triangle in which A angle is right angle, C angle is what? Right angle in the triangle BCD. Got it? So which is hypotenuse? Right angle opposite side. What is that? Name of the hypotenuse is BE. In this triangle, name of the hypotenuse is DB. Yes, good. Now, here they are given first one hypotenuse only. Got it? BE, that is EB equal to DB. Next, another one side is given here. AE equal to BC and angle A equal to angle C. Right angle. So, right angle, hypotenuse, one side. So, RHS criterion. Got it? Yes. Here is the solution of all part of question. Copy down this solution. Question 2. You want to show that triangle ART equal to triangle PEN. If you have to use SSS criterion, then you need to show AR is equal to AR is the side of triangle ART. Its corresponding part is PE. Yeah, AR is equal to PE. Okay, next RT is equal to EN. Correct? AT is equal to PN. That's all. Copy down this answer. Okay, I'll show all the solutions together. Just you listen now. Next, using the same triangle, another one part here it is given that angle T is equal to angle N, and you are to use SAS criterion. You need to have RT is equal to, again RT is equal to what? EN. PN is equal to, yes, good, TA. Third part of question, if it is given that if it is given that AT equal to PN one side and you are to use ASA criterion, you need to have, actually this is angle symbol, not Z, angle symbol Z, it is angle symbol, that is I will show like this. Angle A is equal to what? Angle P. Okay, next second part, angle T is equal to, this is angle T is equal to angle N. Not Z it is angle symbol. Okay, yes, two angles here they are given one side, so ASA criterion. Very easy, no? Yes, I'll show all the solutions. Now you can copy down the textbook itself. Yeah, solution part here. Yeah, till this copy down. Remaining problems we will continue in the next class. Thank you.